What happened?
It was a trailer. He was going back to school from a project.
What trailer?
Dangote trailer.
Dangote trailer.
Yeah. You see Dangote trailer hits their bus. Only if you hit the bus moved zoom off. Without waiting.
We are going to clear the bill. You're happy about it? Don't cry. No, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay, so you don't stress yourself. It's okay now. Don't cry. It's okay. Then in addition, liaise with the management so we can have that operation done the best possible option. We have new plans so that we can have that operation done. The government has to express its concern. The rest assured that we are with you. But by the grace of God, we'll be able to breathe well again and walk again. So I want to thank you all for all the support. Thank you, management, thank you, government, thank you everyone who has been supporting.
Dr.
Bruno. Shout out to Dr. Bruno. Shout out to Dr. Bruno. Thank you, Dr. Bruno. Thank you very much. He's a physiotherapist taking care of me.
He said Dr. Yomere. There's another Dr. Yomere.
All your doctors.
All your doctors.
And all our doctors.
Nursing, physiotherapist.
Let's run try to.
And the doctor asked me to tell you that he loves you and he wants to see the speedy recovery. Oh, you love him too. I'll tell him that. I'll tell him that.
Thank you,
and
sir.
this is Dr. Paddy.
Okay.
And this is Dr. Pius. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So, no problem. So that have you tagged oh yeah. It's right, it's fine. So we're going to get yes. We'll get the bill, we'll clear the bill immediately. And then we'll weigh the options for next life action. But don't worry. So thank you very much. Okay, so let me just quickly add the speech. Thank you everybody for what you have done. Even though this morning I everybody they run in life, but the willingness to still come and talk to her sometimes, how are you doing? It's a lot. It's not everybody that will do that. Some people say, I don't do my work, let me go. But from the way she's saying that, oh, thank this person, it means that the management are actually really trying and then they are with her. So it's really, really important. You understand? And thank you, Dr. Paddy, the Minister of Commissioner for sorry, people don't really know something like that. But as soon as he saw it online, his people contacted and said he was coming. I will can't have that in Edo State. So this Edo is our own. You understand? Now we need to put in every measure to make sure we prevent things like this. So, sir, please, you also join hands and speak to the governor. This dangote thing is a big deal. You understand? It's a big deal. We should actually look for a way to regulate it and to protect the citizens and the students. It's important. So thank you for coming. And madam,
Thank you.
I'll see you later. All right. Thank you.
Move back.